Hi there, welcome to my channel. Happy Christmas in July. This is one of my Christmas in July videos, and I'm calling these Sparkle Christmas Pockets, or you could call them Christmas Doily Pockets too. I have another video that I'll link in the description box where I show how you make these. They're not very hard really, pretty easy. They're a lot of fun, but today I just wanted to show you, I made 6 of them to go in some ring-bound Christmas journals that I'm making, and I just wanted to show you, go through what I made. So, nice pocket. Used lots of pretty meshes and fabrics. I just put them in a square. I cut the fabric in about a square, and I cut different kinds like the gold and the silver, and then I just put 1, 2, 3 and glue them down, and then I put my stuff on top of it. And then I cut out a snowflake out of glittery cardstock and cut out some Christmas trees out of some digital paper that I have that I like the colors with. And I also used some die cuts from Rosie Studios, and then you put a little hanging lace on the bottom. There's that one. This one is got a little longer lace and some die cuts, and then some more of that digital paper that I just cut the present out of. It had presents all over the paper. It was different color presents, so I just cut some of them out. A die cut from Rosie Studios, and that's from Rosie Studios. And then you can see this is some sparkly with snowflakes, sparkly fabric with some snowflakes, and then the silver mesh. So back makes a really nice pocket, very festive. It's really fun layering them. Lots of fun to do this. And then I put the words, I raised them up a little bit on some foam. Added some of those little water drop back pearls on the leaf there. Little raised heart, and then some polka dot tulle. And one of those little, I got these off of Temu, they're little fuzzy balls, and they came in different colors. I thought that was pretty Christmassy. I wonder about making one of these doily pockets and then like putting it all the way across. I wonder what that would look like. Like maybe snow or something. Anyways, that's pretty. Different kind of color combinations a little bit. This one's a little greener and redder, more, you know, that. My books I'm working on is going more blues or golds. So a lot of the little die cuts, some little Temu hearts, and a little Temu pearl. So very pretty, lots of fun. This is a find off Temu from last year. I punched out that one, and then I put some glitter on it, on that snowflake. I don't know if you can see the glitter or not. Very pretty little silver. And then I used some Dollar Tree snow tulle on that side. And then the last one, another one of those sparkly deer. Some little gems. This is some Dollar Tree tulle here, this gold. That is really useful, guys. That gold really stands out. It doesn't sprinkle or come off very easily like some of the other glitter stuff does, and it just really is nice for the background of stuff. So there are my Christmas sparkle pockets. I hope they sparkled for you on this video. They're really sparkly in person, and I hope you're having a great crafting in July, whether you're doing the Christmas in July, or either you're doing the Halloween in July, or you're just crafting for summer in July. So thank you so much for stopping by, and you guys take care.